Hi guys, good morning everyone. I hope you are doing well. So, let me tell you one thing that you people are must be thinking about that why I am talking in English or why I am starting any conversation in English. Some of you know English, some of you don't know how to talk in English or you don't know how to express in English. And some of you don't know English, you do not know how to uh, understand, how to translate, how to explain, or how to write, or how to speak. So there must be some reason behind this, but you people, some of you don't know how to speak, how to explain, or how to express. But here I speak in English, I explain in English just for you, that you will listen, you will understand, you will uh, know that what I am talking about and how I am talking and to whom I am talking. Uh, नाउ आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग इन हिंदी. मैं इंग्लिश में इसलिए बात कर रही हूँ कि आप लोग जान पाएँ कि इंग्लिश कैसे बोली जाती है, कैसे एक्सप्लेन की जाती है, कैसे समझाया जाता है. इसमें से आप लोग कुछ नहीं जानते हैं, इंग्लिश बोलना ना समझना जानते हैं, लेकिन मैं इसलिए बोल रही हूँ इंग्लिश. ये मैंने आपको इंग्लिश में भी समझा दिया, अभी वही मैं आपको हिंदी में समझा रही हूँ कि मैं इंग्लिश इसलिए बोल रही हूँ कि आप लोग जान पाए कि इंग्लिश कैसे बोली जाती है, छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में और थोड़ा सा रॉ, मतलब बिना ग्रामर के, या ग्रामर सही भी हो तब भी कैसे इंग्लिश बोली जाती है घर पर. तो वो इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ, और आप लोग भी सीख जाओगे मेरी जैसे, जैसे मैं बोली. तो ऐसे ही आप भी अपनी वीडियोस बनाएं और शेयर करें जैसे मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ. तो दोनों तरफ से अगर साझेदारी होगी तो इंग्लिश सीख जाओगे आराम से मेरे साथ साथ. सो you will know how to speak in English after explaining this. I am explaining to you, I have explained to you. uh, and right now, just say right now, like I am speaking English, you will speak like me. Then you will know that how I am uh, processing my English step by step, using grammar, using normal English, both. Right now I am not speaking perfectly in grammar, but somewhere I am using grammar, somewhere I am using common English, which people use to speak in English, where they do not use grammar, they just use common English words and common English sentences, and some of them do not have grammar, grammatical verbs and grammatical conjunctions, and other things which are used in speaking in English. So like I am speaking, you will speak like me, then you will know how to speak in English and how to explain and how to express in English. Only then you can know. So follow me and listen to me carefully, and then use your sentences, use your brain to speak in English like me, and upload your videos and upload your content and upload your matter, whatever you have recorded in your phone, and share it with your friends. Then they will follow you, then they will learn from you, then they will earn something from you, learn something from you, and thus you will help others, and you will help yourself also. So I will in further videos, in upcoming videos, I will explain some of critical word difficult words which you do not know, and I will explain to you them. I will uh, speak some sentences using them and tell you that how they are, and tell you their meanings, and I will give you some examples also. So keep following me, keep learning from me, and keep supporting me.